So you guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, yeah, I was about to leave the at 5-2, and this is my team. It's the world best team. Well, actually, I just want to tell you that, uh, yeah, I'm joining the team with this best Latin team, like all the best of out of it, and it's already S99. But the bond it's a bit low. Well, it was quite strong enough, but they have a bond team, and I spent a lot of coins with level quite high. Yeah, not many player having the rank like more than 366. And yep. So yeah, I'm quitting today. Before I'm going down, my skill is going down, my player is going down. Yeah, we live at our best because that's what Chinese do. So, well, you can come in with the superstar 2 rank, and that's all. You come with the best team and live with the best team. That's all. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.